it is asparagus season officially. It's one of the first vegetables to come up out of the ground.
Oh, really?
Yes. Have you ever seen it growing?
I have never seen asparagus growing. I just know that it tastes really good.
It does. It tastes great. So I want to make sure that everyone knows a couple of new ways to prepare it.
Oh, okay, cool.
A stir-fried asparagus, and we're also going to make a chilled herb vinaigrette asparagus.
Oh, okay.
We're going to make a vinaigrette together. Okay, so we've got our bowl here. And let's see, we've got some white wine vinegar. I'll let you get that. It's 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar.
Okay.
And I'm going to measure out a teaspoon. I have brown spicy mustard. You could also use Dijon mustard. Either one. A 1/4 teaspoon of tarragon, a 1/2 teaspoon of parsley, minced parsley. I'll let you grind up some pepper in there.
Ooh, okay.
Or just a little bit of salt. And a dash of garlic.
How much pepper? Just a dash, or
you can just grind however much you like.
Oh, okay. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, I know you love pepper. A dash of onion powder. Okay, I believe that's our ingredients.
Oh, keep whisking.
Yeah, you gotta keep whisking.
Keep the whisk going.
So what you do is
drizzle?
just drizzle this in. So our goal is for it to just kind of hold together, which I think you're doing such a great job there, whipping. Whip it good.
Whip it good.
This is 1 ounce of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil.
Now, does it matter if you use extra virgin or if you use regular, or?
You could use regular. The extra virgin has a little bit stronger flavor. So if you like that flavor of olive oil, that's the one to use.
Oh, okay.
But any kind of oil would actually work.
Oh, all right.
Depending on your preference.
Okay.
So I have already steamed these and cooled them, chilled them. So I'm going to toss those in.
Ooh.
And then we can just toss it all together. And that's easy, huh?
Yeah, that's very easy.
First recipe. So you can use, it's sort of like a salad. It's chilled.
Okay.
And so I just used a steamer. I steamed these for 4 minutes. That looks pretty nice.
I think we're coated here. Yeah.
We are coated.
We are coated with the dressing.
With our glaze, we have, this is for our to toss after I stir fry up my asparagus, so I better get this heated up. So we have a tablespoon of the rice vinegar.
Okay.
And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce after that. And then I also have a tablespoon, I zested my orange, and I have a tablespoon of orange zest. I'm gonna put, at the end, I'll zest some more onto it. So this is kind of be an orangey flavor.
And you said 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of that.
And how much of the 5 spice?
A 1/4 teaspoon.
1/4.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
2 teaspoons of sesame oil. So I've already chopped up a half a teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger, fresh ginger.
We haven't done anything with the red pepper flakes. Is that coming?
Oh yes, that's 1/8 of a teaspoon.
Okay.
I know sometimes I put the ingredients out and
heat.
we forget.
No, I like a little hot, so I'm like, I see that.
Did you put the honey in yet?
No honey.
Oh, okay, I didn't think so. Okay, a tablespoon of honey as well.
Tablespoon of honey. I don't want anything missed.
And then this one, I'm going to garnish it with some cashews that I've chopped up a little bit. And I've got a little bit more orange zest.
But two great recipes with asparagus.
Well, I'm really glad that you like them, Eric.
Yeah.
And I hope that you try the recipes. And thank you for joining us.